Okay, 2016 Mercedes GLE 350. We had we had a door ding, and it put a small dent up here, and then it put where the door really hit hard. It put a gouge right in here, and see if I can get this. See, there's a little bit of imperfection where the skin of the door was pushed in, which is pretty much not repairable. This little part right there, that's not really repairable. That's where there's substructure underneath it, and you tap down on that all day long and that ain't gonna come out. And it's a little bit high. You can see my light. It's a little bit high, but it's got a gouge in it that's leaving a low, a teeny tiny little gouge in it that's leaving a low on it. Let me see if I can position the light and you guys can see this. And so I got a tool on it, and I've been glue popping it, and it's it's not gonna come out 100%. That's just the nature of the game, the nature of these types of dents. With sometimes it's in a bad spot. I'm down here, I've been glue popping it, and I've been going down through the door getting a tool on it, and there's just enough substructure to get me lift on my tool, and it's barely visible. I could color sand it. There it is right there. I could color sand it and even more would come out. There it is right there. I could color sand it and get even more of it out and make it virtually disappear, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave it like that. And but still, it was a small dent to begin with, and you can see the high here. There's a high here from the substructure where it just pushed the entire panel in, and it leaves a high on the interior substructure and a little bitty low there, and which, in my understanding, in my experience, pretty much ain't going to come out. I've pounded on those things for just as long as you can. You pound on it, and because the substructure underneath it, it's not going to come out. But anyway, just a little bitty spot left in a gouge on this car. It's barely even visible, and not really anything that anybody would really notice. So anyway, I did two on the quarter panel, and three on this door, and then one on the fender right there.